Hello. Today I wanted to talk about the reading and the assignment we have for parts of the Constitution. So we have broken up this assignment into a couple of pieces. So this is going to be piece one. You have parts of the Constitution reading one, and if you would like it read out loud for you, there's a link right here under the title of the assignment. If you click there, Mr. Tate has made a reading for us. And what you're going to do here, instead of reading about all of the Constitution's parts at once, we've broken it down for this reading to do the preamble, which is the introduction to the Constitution, Article 1, which covers the legislative branch, so how Congress works, how it makes laws, so how that's set up in the Constitution. Then Article 2 of the Constitution, which is the executive branch, which includes the president and many other positions in the executive branch. So this is how the Constitution sets up the executive branch. And then we're finishing our reading with Article 3, the judicial branch. So that's going to include our Supreme Court and the federal courts below it. To go with the reading, to check our understanding, there is an assignment called Part 1 and 2, Parts of the Constitution. You'll do Part 3 with a different reading and a different assignment. So I have put your directions right here. It says, while reading parts of the Constitution, reading one, answer the questions below. This link right here is for that same reading that I just talked about. So you'll use that to help you with this. In part one, I've given you a description of different jobs each of the branches of government has to do. And so if you believe when you read enforces laws, if you believe that's a legislative branch job, you're going to put an L. If you believe it's a job of the executive branch, you'll put an E. And if you believe that's the job of the judicial branch, you'll put a J. And you'll put your answer right here in this box. So either put an L, an E, or J for your answer. And then for part two, we have some multiple choice. It says highlight your answer to the questions below. So you have 4 multiple choice questions. And so when you read how many senators are there in the US Senate, when you are ready to highlight your answer, you'll come up here, click this little highlight marker. Does not matter to me which color you use. If you want to use yellow like I did, that's fine. If you want to use blue, that's pretty too. But let's say you wanted that to be your answer. Oops, my highlight went away. There we go. Or, oops, nope, that's not right. Let me click undo. And then you can choose something else. So obviously, I'm not going to tell you what the right answer is in the directions since it is an assignment, but that is how you will highlight things. Is you'll just put your cursor and then choose a color. So if you have any questions, please let me know. This is how you're going to take care of part 1 and 2 for parts of the Constitution, which goes with reading 1, parts of the Constitution.